Hi everyone, I'm Ian from Crack Maths and welcome to tutorial 58 on how to calculate angles inside a triangle and a quadrilateral. Okay, just to give you a heads up, a triangle is a three-sided shape and a quadrilateral is a four-sided shape. The first thing you need to know for this topic is that angles inside a triangle will always add up to 180 degrees. The second thing that you need to know is that angles inside a quadrilateral, a four-sided shape, will always add up to 360 degrees. If you can remember that, then this topic is golden. The best way to have a go at this topic actually is just to get cracking with some questions. So let's get started with question one. Got question one, and it says, in a triangle, if one angle measures 80 degrees and the other measures 20 degrees, what is the measure of the other angle? So we've got our triangle. We know one angle is 80 degrees, one angle is 20 degrees, so we can fill those in. So I know that 20 add 80 makes 100. The angles inside a triangle have to add up to 180. 80, add 20, add the missing angle, must equal 180. So if 20 add 80 makes 100, 100 plus the missing angle must make 180. And I can work this out by doing 180 minus 100, and that equals 80. So I now know that the missing angle must also be 80 degrees. Okay, we can also reverse this to check our answer. So we can now do 80, add 80, add 20, and check that that gives us 180. And it does. Okay, great. Let's have a look at question two. So question two here says, in a quadrilateral, three angles measure 80 degrees, 90 degrees, and 100 degrees. What is the measure of the missing angle? Okay, right. So let's draw out the quadrilateral. We know that we've got 80 degrees, 90 degrees, and 100 degrees. Just out of interest, if we have a 90-degree angle, we call a 90-degree angle a right angle, and we can represent it with this little box here. So if you ever see one of these boxes drawn on an angle, that means that that angle is 90 degrees. So we can now do 80 degrees, add 90 degrees, add 100 degrees, add our missing angle has to equal 360, because we know angles in a quadrilateral equal 360 degrees. So now let's simplify this. 80 add 90 is 170. 170 add 100 is 270. So we know that 270 plus our missing angle equals 360 degrees. So now what we have to do is we have to do 360, take away 270, gives me 90 degrees. So I know that this missing angle is going to be 90 degrees. And remember, we can always check that this works by adding all of our four angles back together to see if they equal 360. So let's do 80, add 90, add 90, add 100. And yes, that equals 360 degrees. Okay, great. Let's have a look at this third question. So this question says, if two angles in a triangle measure 40 degrees and 70 degrees, what is the measure of the missing angle? Okay, so we have 40 degrees and 70 degrees. So remember, it's a triangle, so it equals 180. So we have 40, add 70, add the mystery angle, equals 180. We can simplify this. 40 add 70 is 110. So we have 110 add our mystery angle equals 180. And then that means that 180 minus 110 equals our mystery angle. So 180 minus 110 equals 70. So that means 70 must be our mystery angle. So we can put that in, and now we can check it. 40 add 70 add 70 equals 180. Now, I just want to talk about this triangle actually. This is an interesting kind of triangle because two angles are the same. If you ever get a triangle where two angles are the same, this is called an isosceles triangle. Okay, so this is a useful word to know, isosceles triangle, and often people denote this in pictures by putting two little dashes on the lines that are the same length. So if you ever see these lines crop up in pictures, that's what this means, that these two lines are the same length. Okay, great. If you want more practice at this sort of question, go over to crackmaths.co.uk, tutorial 58. If you want to look at these questions in a scenario, stick with me now, and that's what we're going to do. So it says here, in a spaceship, there is a control panel with 4 identical screens shaped like quadrilaterals. If 3 angles in one screen measure 80 degrees, 90 degrees, and 110 degrees, what is the measure of the missing angle? Right, okay, so the question looks complicated, but actually this isn't that hard. What I can see is we've got 4 identical screens, so that means they've all got the same angles inside them. So I know that we've got 3 angles inside it, which are 80, 90, and 110. And because these are quadrilaterals, that means that the 4 angles inside the quadrilateral have to add up to 360. So I know that 80 add 90 add 110 add the mystery angle equals 360. Okay, so I've written that down. Now I'm going to simplify it. So 80 add 90 is 170. Add 110 takes us up to 280. So we know that 280 plus our mystery angle equals 360. So now what we can do is 360 take away 280, and that will give us 80. And so that should be our mystery angle. Let's just check it by doing the calculation with our mystery angle. So we've got 80 add 80 add 90 add 110. I'm just going to do it on the calculator this time. 80 add 80 add 90 add 110. And that equals 360. Perfect. Right, I want to do one more question like this because this second question is actually a little bit more challenging than the first question. The first question was quite straightforward. So let's have a look at this one. This question says that Emma is organising a treasure hunt. If you find an angle in a quadrilateral that combines with an angle in a triangle to equal 150 degrees, you win a prize. Sadiq finds an equilateral triangle and a square. Has he won a prize? This is an interesting question because basically what we're required to do is we need to find out the angles, or we need to know the angles inside the square and inside the equilateral triangle. So if this is a square, I know that the 4 angles are all the same. Okay, and I also know that they add up to 360. So if 4 angles equal 360, I can divide both of these by 4 to see that one angle will equal 90 degrees. So I know that the angle inside the square is going to be 90 degrees. Now, the phrase equilateral triangle also means that everything inside that triangle is equal. So if I know I've got 3 angles that equal 180 degrees, I know they're all the same, so I'm just going to divide this by 3 to find one angle. So 180 divided by 3 is 60. So that means that each of the angles inside the equilateral triangle are 60 degrees. So now I can combine my 90 degrees and my 60 degrees. So 90 degrees add 60 degrees equals 150. And so yes, Sadiq wins a prize. Excellent. Congratulations, Sadiq. Okay, that's that. If you want more practice at these scenario questions, head over to crackmaths.co.uk. Just a bit of warning, some of them do require a bit of thought, but stick with them. And You've got to make sure that you just sit back and try to break them down. Good luck, and yes, I will see you in another tutorial. So long.